To enable or disable quick share on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to connected devices, and then here at the top we have the quick share option. We should be able to open the menu or settings of the quick share if you want to turn it on, you want to go to who can share with you, and of course you want to set it to, for example, contacts, or maybe even everyone if you want to ensure that you can be spotted by other devices. And by default, we enable everyone only for 10 minutes, but you can uncheck this option if you need more time. And of course, we can tap on done. And besides that, you can also find the quick share option in the control center or quick settings. Usually it is located here in this expandable area. So you can tap over here on this menu in order to go to the proper quick share app. And if you are in this receive menu, then your visibility is set to everyone temporarily as long as you are over here. But of course, if that is not the case, you can usually tap on your name here at the top in order to go through the settings menu again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.